So 1 minus tax rate. What is tax rate given in the question? 30%. So 0.3. Interest is how much? 10 rupees is the interest. Means issuing price they have only given. It means that they are issued at a discount. So we have solved the problems. So what is the first step, second step, third step and fourth step? So fourth step, and in your after tax problem 6 steps are to be followed. Hello everybody, I'm your Divya ma'am, Assistant Professor from Department of Commerce and Management, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, MYSURU, the Temple of Excellence. I take this opportunity to welcome you all for the session 5 on your chapter unit 1, Cost of Capital. So we'll discuss more problems on redeemable debenture. Problem 4, a company issued 10% debenture of rupees 100 each, repayable after 10 years at a premium of 6%. The company incurred the flotation cost of rupees 3, the corporate taxes 30%. Calculate the cost of debt. So before tax and after tax formula we have to learn. So we have to solve the problem. So what is given in the question? So this is before tax formula or after tax. It is after tax problem. So for your convenience you have to solve before tax also. I will show the calculation of after tax problem only here. So after tax, so this before tax you have to solve the problem. So after tax, so what is the formula? Cost of debenture is equal to 1 minus tax rate into interest plus maturity value minus net proceeds divided by number of years whole divided by maturity value plus net proceeds divided by 2. So this is the formula of after tax calculation. So let us understand what is given in the question. Issued at a par 100 rupees with expenses of how many rupees? Expenses of 3 rupees. So it is how much? It is 97. Next we have interest rate 10 rupees interest, and next we have number of years is 10 years, and when you are redeeming at a premium of how many percent? 6%. So maturity value will be 106. So all the information we have got, let's substitute the values. So 1 minus tax rate. What is tax rate given in the question? 30%. So 0.3. Interest is how much? 10 rupees is the interest. Plus maturity value 106 minus 97 divided by number of years is 10 years. Whole divided by 106 plus 97 divided by 2. So let's substitute the values. 106 minus 97, it is 9 divided by 10, 0.9. If you add it with the interest, it is 10.9, and if you multiply it, it is into 0.7, it is 7.63 divided by 106 plus 97 divided by 2, it is 101.5. 7.63 divided by 101.5, it is 0.075. So what's the answer? 0.075 or 7% is the answer. So this is after tax problem. So we have one more problem for your more clarity on your problems. Redeemable debenture. So let's take up one more problem. So Diksha Limited issued 5 years. So Diksha Limited issues 5 years 15% redeemable debenture of rupees 100 each and a net price of 97.75. Net price means issuing price they have only given. It means that they are issued at a discount. So we have solved the problems. Issued at a par, issued at a premium, here issued at a discount. So the debenture will be redeemed at 5% premium in maturity. So 100 rupees, 15% debenture. So 15 rupees will be the interest. What is given in the question? Given is interest is 100 into 15%, it is 15 rupees. So 15 rupees net proceeds while issuing, they are issued at a discount 97.75. Net proceeds, no expenses are given in the question, and number of years is how many years? Number of years is 5 years. And next, what other information is given? Redeemable at 5% premium. So 100 rupees is the issuing value into 5%, 105. Maturity value is 105. So with the available information, let's substitute the value. So in this problem, tax rate is given. No, tax rate is not given. So it is before tax problem. So what is the interest we have got? Interest is 15 rupees plus maturity value is 105 minus net proceeds is 97.75 divided by, what is the number of years? 5 years, whole divided by maturity value plus net proceeds divided by 2. So this is the values that we have substituted to the formula. So let's check out the answer. So what is the first step, second step, third step and fourth step? So fourth step, and in your after tax problem 6 steps is are to be followed. So 105 minus 97.75, it is 105 minus 97.75, 7.25 divided by 5, it is 1.45 plus 15, it is 16.45. Next, 105 plus 97.75 divided by 2, it is 101.375. So if you divide, let's check out the answer, what you will get it. 16.45 divided by 101.375, it is 0.162, or if you convert into percentage, it is 16.22%. Let's check out the answer. 0.16 or 16% is the answer. So this calculation I have done. So that is to make you all understand in an easy way. So that's it, my dear students. Hope the session was very interesting and fruitful. So we have solved many problems on redeemable debentures in today's class. So stay fit, stay healthy. Smile is the biggest jewel you can wear, people. Keep smiling always. Thank you.